Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious onion broth. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 large onions, peeled and quartered. We'll also use 6 to 8 cups of water or vegetable stock, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. These basic items are all you need to create a flavorful base for many dishes. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your quartered onions and cook them until they're softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. For a richer, deeper taste, continue to caramelize them for another 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step is key to a robust broth. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to transform them into broth. Pour in 6 to 8 cups of water or vegetable stock. Add a pinch of salt and any herbs you like, such as a bay leaf or a few sprigs of thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 45 to 60 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Finally, let's finish our delicious onion broth. Carefully strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, discarding the cooked onion solids. You can press the solids gently to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. Once cooled, transfer your homemade broth to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.